back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, as you can see from our title down below, today I am going to be unboxing my, what is this, August? August 2019 Scentbird. So, Scentbird, you're probably wondering why this is in a box and not the normal mailer. That is because I've told you guys that Scentbird actually offers more than just the perfume as your selection. They do have their standard and what they're known for, where you can choose a designer fragrance and they send you a 30-day supply for only $14.95 each month. However, they do also have makeup products, skincare products, body care products, candles. They have all kinds of stuff. Now, some of the skincare and things you may have to pay like an extra $5, but Scentbird is only $14.95 a month. I do have a link that I will put down below. If you use that link, you will actually get your second month free. So you will only pay $14.95 for 2 months. So you can't beat that. Buy one, get one free. Awesome deal. So I did not pick a perfume this month. What? Yes, no, what? So, I may have had too much coffee. So, yes, this is my Scentbird, but it's not a perfume. You ready to see what it is? If I can figure out how to open it. Oh, before I forget, I want to remind you guys, we have an active giveaway. It's for the Tribe Beauty Box, the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box, the entire box. If you would like to enter, definitely head over, check out the video, and it runs through September 6th, so you still have plenty of time to enter. And if you're new, welcome. I do apologize for not saying that at the beginning. Welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I would love to have any new subscribers or any new people. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are inching closer and closer to 5K, you guys. What? I can't believe it. We get to 5K, you know we're gonna have an awesome giveaway. So definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already. Become a part of our YouTube family. We always have an amazing time with unboxings, reviews, haul videos, sneak peek videos. Our live streams are pretty epic. I'm just gonna say, every Wednesday I go live and there's no telling. So let's get in here to Scentbird for August 2019. So this is super cute. It came like this. And on top it has a sheet that tells about the item. Now what I selected is, move that out of the way, this set here of Purlisse sheet mask, because if you follow me, you know that I love sheet masks, that I am like obsessed with sheet masks. So this is a set of 5, again from Purlisse. They are the green tea and vitamin C brightening sheet mask, moisturizing and clarifying. It says, this natural fiber mask infused with green tea, vitamin C, and restorative Asian botanicals delivers antioxidants and minerals to your skin. This power blend soothes and nourishes while fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Green tea improves skin elasticity while vitamin C brightens, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. And this is beauty through Asian wisdom. So I got a set of 5. That's awesome. I love Purlisse products. And it's actually here on the back, the Purlisse, the watermelon. Those are amazing. I absolutely love those. That's actually an option you can get for one of your months with Scentbird. So like I said, they have stuff other than just perfume, y'all. So yay, let's see what it says here. All right, so this just says Purlisse Beauty Through Asian Wisdom on the front, and it shows the package that I got. And then let's see if it actually talks about the watermelon here. Celebrating time-honored beauty traditions. I don't even know what I was about to say. Purlisse fuses the spirit of Asian rituals with modern science to create safe, effective skincare. Using the finest botanical ingredients, Purlisse develops high-performance, multitasking products for women everywhere. Enjoy 20% off your first Purlisse.com purchase using code Scentbird20. And that's good through November. All right, so if you buy something or want to buy something from Purlisse, you can go to their website and use the code Scentbird20 and get 20% off your purchase, valid through November 30th. That is awesome. So, yes. But yeah, like I said, this set right here, these watermelon sheet masks is an option. They have Glam Glow, they have Elemis. You guys, they literally have so many different things to choose from. Makeup products, they have Tarte, they have Deck of Scarlet, they have Kat Von D. They do have some of their own brand of makeup and skincare and body care, like shower gels and like body creams, things like that. And like I said, they have candles. Oh, that's another one of my favorite things. I do have a couple of candles in my queue on Scentbird. But yeah, y'all, definitely check it out. Like I said, my link will get you a free month, so that is awesome. Again, this is only $14.95 a month. It is free shipping, so that is great as well. So let me know down below what you think. Do you get Scentbird? If you do, have you gotten anything other than perfume? Let me know. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget about that Tribe Beauty Box contest or giveaway. And like I said, if you are new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.